Hello friends, my name is Miss Adrian. Welcome to Story Time at my house. Little Bear and I were just getting ready to do a song that uses a scarf. If you have a scarf, get it ready now. If you don't have one, you can pause this video and go get some kind of fabric that you can use as a scarf. You can use a handkerchief or a bandana or a small towel or even your blankie. Are you ready? Do you see that little fish up there? Let's pretend that this scarf is a fish. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 all day long. Now how about the waves going up and down? The waves in the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down all day long. And the sand drifts gently down. The sand in the sea drifts gently down, gently down, gently down. The sand in the sea drifts gently down all day long. I think we'll set our scarves aside for now. So I want to show you what's on the flannel board here. Look at that. That's a slippery fish sliding through the water. There's also an octopus. He's squiggling in the water. Here's a big tuna fish flashing in the water. Look at that. Do you know what that is? It's a shark. It's a great white shark lurking in the water. And here we have a humongous whale spouting in the water. There's that slippery fish. Slippery fish, slippery fish, gliding through the water. Slippery fish, slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling in the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by a tuna fish, flashing in the water. A tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking in the water. A great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, he's been eaten by an enormous whale, spouting in the water. Enormous whale, gulp, gulp, burp. Excuse me. Do you remember all of the ocean animals that were up here? There was that great, big, enormous whale. There was the white shark. There's the tuna fish, the octopus, and there's that little tiny slippery fish gliding through the water. Well, little bear and I are going to go now. I think maybe we'll play with our scarves some more. I wonder what else we can do about the sea. Maybe we can have the enormous whale spouting in the water. That'll be fun. Well, I hope to see you all soon at the Westmont Library. Until then, remember, be kind to each other. Goodbye, friends.